You're listening to Learn English with Ease. In today's program, we're talking about easy ways to speak more clearly in English.
Hey, Jack. Recently I've been trying to improve the way I speak English. I want to sound clearer when I talk.
That's a great goal, Emma. Speaking clearly is so important, especially when you're talking to people from different countries.
Exactly. But sometimes I feel like I'm rushing my words or mumbling without even realizing it.
Yeah, I get that. Actually, I used to have the same problem. But there are some really simple tricks that helped me a lot.
Really? Like what?
Well, first, one thing that helped me was slowing down. I used to speak super fast because I thought it made me sound fluent. But actually, when you slow down, your words become clearer and people understand you better.
That's so true. Sometimes I listen to myself and I sound like I'm racing through my sentences.
Exactly. And you know what? Pausing is powerful too. You don't have to rush to finish every sentence. Short pauses make you sound more confident.
Pausing. I never thought about that. It must also give listeners time to understand what you're saying.
Exactly. Plus, it gives you time to think about your next words. It makes you look more natural.
Interesting. What about pronunciation? Sometimes I feel like my words aren't sharp enough.
Good point. Practicing mouth movements really helps with that. Try reading out loud for just 5 minutes a day. Focus on moving your lips and tongue properly when you pronounce difficult words.
Like tongue twisters?
Yeah, tongue twisters are great practice. Even simple ones like, she sells seashells by the seashore. They force you to be clear.
That's a tough one.
It is. But it's fun too. Another tip. Record yourself speaking. Even if it feels weird at first, it really helps you hear where you can improve.
Record myself? I never thought of that. But it makes sense. You can actually hear your mistakes and fix them.
Exactly. And finally, listening is important too. The more you listen to good English, like podcasts, interviews, and audiobooks, the more you train your ear to recognize clear speech.
So it's like learning by copying?
Yep. Listen, repeat, copy. It's the oldest trick, but it works. Find speakers you like and try to mimic how they speak.
Wow, Jack, these tips are so helpful. I think I'll start today. Slow down, pause, practice mouth movements, record myself, and listen more.
That's the spirit. Remember, it's not about sounding perfect. It's about making sure people can understand you easily.
Thanks, Jack. Speaking clearly suddenly feels a lot easier now.
Anytime, Emma, good luck, and don't forget to enjoy the journey.